Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this neat animation for your websites using Jquery. And like always, all the project files, all those goodies can be downloaded for free. Just click on the link in the description below. Without further ado, let's get started. So when you start Jquery, you want a document.ready function. You want to write this, and the opening, closing parenthesis brackets, you want it down here, and you have it up here, and you want everything that you're going to be doing in between. So my hide, show, toggle, slide up, slide down, fade out, fade in, all of it's in between this document.ready function. This $sign right here literally means Jquery. So I'm calling it Jquery, and then I'm going to call in this function, like what action do I want taken. So I want to click. So when I click on hide, I'm going to do this, whatever in between here. So when I click on hide, I want the class fork to hide. So I'm going to click on class hide, and I'm going to hide the class fork. Go to source code here. The class hide is this text right here. So I named this text hide, and I created the span class fork, and I put the image in between here. So this class fork is practically this image fork right here. So I'm saying when I click on this text hide, which I named hide, I'm going to hide this span class fork, which is this image fork, this image of a fork. I go here in the jQuery. Again, it's the same thing. When I click on show, what is show? This class show right here. Click this to show. I named this text. Click this to show. Show. And same thing here. The toggle, I named this text right here toggle. I named this text right here slide up. I named this text right here slide down. There's another class name point, and I only use that for the style sheet, so I can make every single text here a pointer, like change the cursor into a pointer. So right here you have a regular cursor, but when I go down here, it turns into a pointer. Regular cursor, pointer. So instead of writing that for every single class, so writing dot hide, dot show, etc., and constantly putting in cursor pointer, I just did it once and just gave the name point to each one down here. So I have hide, show, toggle, slide up, slide down, slide, toggle. All this is the name of this text right here. And I can call it in jQuery just by putting a dot and then the name in here. So dot hide, dot show, dot toggle, dot slide up, dot slide down. All this, I'm calling these texts. So I'm saying whenever I click on whichever I decide to call out, I'm going to be doing this, whatever's in here. I'm going to hide this class fork, which is right here, class fork, and what's inside here? This image. So I'm going to hide this image within 700th of a second. So when I click on the text hide the fork within 700th of a second. When I click on the text show, hide the fork within 700th of a second. And it's the same thing for everything else. Same thing, fade out. When I click on the text fade out, fade this out within 700th of a second. And that's it. That's how you get these animations. You get this hide one, got the show one, got the toggle, got the slide up, slide down, toggle slide, fade out, fade in. So you can use this for your site. Be creative. I mean, it's very simple, nothing complicated. And also, I actually call out from my library here, so I don't. You can. It's a library, so you're gonna have to like source it. So you're either gonna use the website link or have it in your folder in here. I have it in my Java folder, so it's right here. I have the jQuery version 3.3.1 minimum, and I just call it in here. So I'm going to go into my Java folder and get out the jQuery. Then I reference it by using that $sign, or the document.ready function. I call it out, and then I do whatever I want. And that's it.